Hello stitchers, welcome on stitchingworld.com. Sumaya Pathiva asked a question like, brother, DS1300 sewing machine is what to buy? Please tell its pros and cons. Brother sewing machines are good to buy because they are cheaper machines, like price wise they are less expensive as compared to other machines. They give you more features and they are easy to operate, beginner level sewing machines. In India, Brother has entered only a few years back, but worldwide it is an established company. Brother is a Japanese company. 1300 is a computerized sewing machine that is available on high-end computerized sewing machine market. The basic features of Brother sewing machines are that it gives you 130 built-in stitches, so that is too many stitch designs that you can start exploring as soon as you start your machine, and you can make many designs using these 130 built-in stitches. You get twin needle capability. You can make even more designs with the machine. You get 8 one-step buttonholes. Generally, all the automatic sewing machines, the beginner level sewing machines, offer you one-step buttonhole or 4-step buttonhole. Feature is only one, but here in these computerized sewing machines, especially 1300, you get 8 one-step buttonholes options. So like there are different styles of the buttonhole making that you can do with a sewing machine like DS1300. You get all the standard features with the machine, whether it is sewing your pants, jeans bottoms or sleeves. You get LED light in the machine. The design of the machine is very beautiful. It is a white plastic body machine where the chassis is, the inside body is made of metal. So machine is quite durable. With my own experience, I can say if you maintain the machine good enough, then 10 to 20 years you can get along with your sewing machine very well. Basically, you have to keep the bobbin area clean, and one important thing, that while you do designing with any sewing machine, any automatic sewing machine, especially these zigzag sewing machines, white plastic sewing machines, then the speed of the sewing machine gets reduced or gets half. Reason being, the thread makes different loops. It moves like twice or thrice to make the design. That way the speed of the machine gets a little slower. So you have to be careful that you don't unnecessarily pull the fabric or push the fabric while you are working with your sewing machine, because if you try to force anything on your sewing machine, it would start giving you trouble. Next, this is an embroidery machine. It may be used for making your basic simple stitches, but basically this machine is more useful for people who are more into designing, or you are boutique owner and you have to make some designing pieces for your clients, or you want to make some designing pieces and sell to the market, or you love to make more and more designing pieces even for your own use, your own home, or for the family. So this is DS1300 this is computerized machine, and this is strictly not for beginners. Go for this machine only if you are sewing for quite long time, or if you plan to sew for long time, you want to do some fashion designing, or you are doing some fashion designing, you want to make, or you are already making some designer pieces, or you are already acquainted with sewing machines, you already know what type, the simple machine, or the basic manual sewing machine. So once you have worked on them, then the transition becomes much better. And if you think you have never worked with the sewing machine, but Brother sewing machine seems to be a value for machine, when you ask the pros, then this is one of the major benefit, major draw, major attraction about Brother sewing machine, that they are value for money. They are very cheap when they are giving the value, the features and the inbuilt stitches. When you compare brother sewing machines with Usha or Singer or any other sewing machine in the market, then of course brother becomes a winner. The machine has so many 130 inbuilt stitches, that is good enough. Like there are too many. The stitch per minute of this machine is about 800. All the brother sewing machines are in the range of that 800 stitch per minute or lower. So as I explained earlier, when you make designs with the machine, the speed of the machine, the stitching speed even gets slower. So don't be worried about that. Secondly, the cons that you asked, the con of the machine, the flip sides, why people do not, you may not like to buy this machine 1300. One thing, most of the time it is out of stock. You don't get this machine because brother FS 101, that is more popular machine, and it is more trending machine or popular in Indian market, that is more preferred as compared to 1300. But you may also go for 1300 if it is available in the market. But about brother sewing machines, there is one flip side that you must consider if you are a serious buyer, that brother company, sewing machine company, they do not provide demo or service in Indian market. So you need to learn demo from the DVD that they provide. It is easy to follow through step-by-step guide tutorial that you can learn about your sewing machine. And secondly, the spare parts, you may not need much of the spare parts. So if in case you need some servicing or some assistance, then you may have some local dealer or local service center where you could take help to get your machine in good order or to get it in shape in case there is any problem. So these are basically the things that would be useful for you to understand about the sewing machine, that is brother computerized DS1300. I hope this information is useful to you, and please let me know in the comment section when you buy your next sewing machine, which machine you bought and why. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel and liking the video. See you in the next video. God bless you.